I hope you guys are all having a good day. We are getting ready to go out on the lake and go fishing. Hopefully you guys have something planned too. So for this tutorial today, I am going to show you how to leave a business review on Google. So what you need to do is type in whoever you're looking for to leave a review. Here we are right here. You can see some of our stuff right here as well. Here is our website, our Facebook. We have Instagram as well, pretty easy to find. It's the same with Rail Photo and Film. So anyways, we are going to scroll down here. We are going to click write a review. So leave whatever star review you think is appropriate. Hopefully it's a 5. We do our best to serve our clients and to make them happy. So some things that you guys could leave that would be really helpful in people looking for a wedding and portrait photographer and videographer. You could put in things like our personalities. Did you guys like how we made you feel? Did we make things feel comfortable and easy? And did you have fun? That is the most important thing. We do our best to make you guys feel like we are friends, and we do want to make new friends, and we're hoping that after these experiences we will have tons of new friends. We love meeting friends and new people. So we're striving to connect with you guys and to help you feel comfortable and at ease. So if you could write down how you felt about our personality. Did you feel comfortable? Wow, I can't type today. And natural. Did you guys feel like we were able to make your experience easier? Were we able to help you nail down what outfits you wanted to wear? Maybe we were able to help you find a venue, find someone to do your flowers, whatever it is. Did we help you to make your experience easier? Anything like that are great things to leave a business review for. It will really help future clients looking for a photographer and videographer. It will help them to know what we're all about, and it will help them to know if we will be a good fit for each other. So after that, you can click and add one of your pictures that we had done for you. You can do a behind the scenes, whatever you want to do, you can add that here, and then you will click post. Obviously, I'm not going to do this for myself, but it is as simple as that. If you guys like this tutorial, if it was simple and easy to follow, and if you guys want to subscribe to our channel for more future tutorials and future wedding and family videos, that would be awesome. Okay, hope you guys have a good day.